In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the decal on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Before we take the old one off, you can mark it with some masking tape where it is so that you can reference for the new one. Although this has some nice alignment tabs on the bottom of this where they're going to line up with this body line right here, so we don't have to do that in this situation. I'm going to use a heat gun and just keep some distance and move it around a lot. You don't want to heat it up too much or you're going to burn through the paint. I'm just going to use a plastic scraper. Just try to get the edge. Just start scraping it. Sometimes you can actually peel it. Comes off pretty easy. You want to use some cleaner, just wipe it off. You can use some soapy water and wash it. That's nice and cleaned up. I'm going to take the decal, line it up. Let's put a piece of masking tape right there. I'm going to just tape the bottom. Go like that. Fold this down. I'm just going to take a utility knife, get the backing off. Just go very carefully. We'll just cut the backing. You could use scissors if you want to. Just don't cut your paint. That's good. Now you can try to do this dry, but you're probably going to end up with a lot of bubbles. So if you take some soapy water, just soak this down. Pull this up. Very gently in the middle. Take a squeegee. Just get the soapy water out, the bubbles. Just going to spray this down with soapy water, let it soak through. Again, squeegee some more. Let that sit for a minute and just gently peel this down. It seems like it's sticking a little bit. You can use some more soapy water. Just go slow. And peel that off completely. You can always take a rag or a towel and the squeegee or even a credit card. Just try to get any more of the soap and water out. There you go, looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.